Welcome to the Writer Production YouTube channel. My name is Adesanya Joseph Pascal, an ex-student of Abraham Adesanya Polytechnic, and then the CEO of the Writer Production. So welcome to all freshers of Abraham Adesanya Polytechnic Ijebu. So in today's video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step explanatory video on how to navigate through Abraham Adesanya Polytechnic student portal. And in that video, I'll be using my own matric number as a login. I'll teach you how to log in, and then I'll be explaining all the features for you, so that if you are stuck, you got into your portal, you don't know what to do, then this video is for you. And students from other schools can also join in this video. Your school might have equal base on how to navigate through their portal, I'm not sure, but this video is mainly for Abraham Adesanya Polytechnic students. So if you are Abraham Adesanya Polytechnic fresher, be it ND1 or HND1, and you don't know how to navigate through your portal, please watch through this video and you will get. And please, if you have any questions, ensure to drop your questions in the comment section. I will answer you. Then in the description of this video, I will be dropping the links to Abraham Adesanya Polytechnic website, so that you can log in to your portal. See you in the next slide. Thank you. So yes, welcome to Abraham Adesanya Polytechnic portal. And as I have said in the beginning of this video, I'll be giving you an explanatory video on how to basically step-by-step logging in into your school portal as a student. And I'll be explaining each part of this portal, what each page is used for, so that once you get to school and then you need anything, you can know how to log into your portal by yourself and get it done without no problem. So I advise you to watch this video from the beginning to the end, so that you can have full understanding of how to navigate through the elements, or let me say through the functional stuffs. So as you can see, this is Abraham Adesanya Polytechnic portal, and the link to this portal, I will be dropping it in the description. I'll be dropping the link in the description. This is it, va.aapoly.edu.com. So let's go back to what is needed. So what is needed to log in, you need your email as a new student and your password in which you use in opening your portal. So I click here. So now you type in your email. I'm already an existing student, so let me say I'm coming. So the system is, once you are coming in as a student for the first time, you haven't paid for acceptance fees, school fees, and all those payments. You haven't made the payment. You have the opportunity to log in with only your email. But once you pay your school fees and you have a matric number, you will be able to pay. You will able to log in. You will able to log in with your matric number. So now I'll be logging in with my email or my matric number. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be using my email. Yep, I'll be using my email. So let's dive in now to login. You click keep me login and then you log in. Wow. So this is how the interface of your portal will look like when you just log in. It might not be this way for new students, because what will be different here is there will not be matric number, but you see active students. This side that is showing graduating students, this side that is showing graduating students will be showing active students, because I finished my ND. That's why it's showing graduating students. So the main, I'm here to talk about here is this module navigations. So I'll be starting from the beginning. The module navigations, we have the dashboard, then a drop down of basic analytics. So let's click on it and see what it will bring. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, is the dashboard. This is the basic page dashboard. So it means this dashboard is working for that page. So let's close that aspect and go to registration. So under registration, we have course form registration. So it means registration, your department courses, you need to register them on your portal once after you have paid your school fees. So if you click on registration, it will load up like this. And it will bring the courses you see for ND1, first semester and second semester. As you can see, first semester and second semester registered and approved. So if you want to register your course, but for ND1 students, if you haven't paid school fees, once you click on course registration, it's going to take you to making payment of school fees first before you can register course. So once you make your payment of school fees, you'll be able to open this page. So to edit your course form, you just need to click here, course registration form, then it loads up like this, then it brings out your details, say total unit course registered, then you need to register all your courses. Let me use my ND2 as an example. Let me use my ND2 that is not yet approved as an example. Okay, like this, you click on course registration like this, and then you come here, see these are the courses that is here. So if you have any course you want to add, you just click on number of extra courses field, and then you put it, add the field, then off you are good to go. Then afterward you click on update course form. So after it's updated, you can from here print your exam pass and print course form. But that's when you are close to exam time, you can print your course form and exam pass. So let's move on to this. So that's that for registration. So the next we are going to now is admission, and under admission we have my application and my O-level results. So my application is your application form. Your application for admission is open. So here you will see your, I'm not a new student though. In this page, once you open up this page, you are going to see your application form. That's the form you filled. You are going to see your application form right here. So my O-level results, your O-level results that was uploaded, the network is bad. Your O-level results, if you want to access it, you can access it through that side. Then the next is bursary. That's if you want to make any payment or see any amount. So you see under beneath it, you see students accounts, and then you see payment invoice and payment history. So if you click on payment invoice, let's go to payment invoice first. So in this payment invoice, this student invoice, you are going to see the description of all the money you paid, all the money that was paid, and the one you are still owing. This is it. So this invoice, so this is how it's going to show you. Then let's go back to payment history. So if you want to check all the payments you have made, the one of okay, all the payments you have made, 2.5, 3.5 for screening fee, online screening fee, and then 12.5 for application fee. This is where you are going to see everything. All your transactions will be here. But I can't see my own here because our portal, we are using old portal. We didn't use this portal from day one, so my what's it called cannot be here. So, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to pass, the information I'm trying to pass. Then that is what you need for now. That is what you need for now. All these results, you don't need it for now because you are just a new student. If you click on it, you won't see anything. But the page is just for results, and it's for CBT stuff, so it's not showing up. So we have school services. So under school services, we have please, this is the aspect you should listen very well. Yep, this is the aspect you should listen very well. We have hostel application. So this hostel application, let's click on it and see what will happen. If you want to apply for hostel, school hostel, this is where you will be able to make inquiries and see, welcome to Abraham Adesanya Polytechnic accommodation module. Follow the instruction below to apply for 2025 to 2026 hostel accommodation. So the instruction that will be shown there is you should proceed to DSA office to obtain the form, hostel form, and then I think the payment is, I think 70,000 or 80,000. It should be around that amount. So then printable forms, we have printable forms like your matric oath and anti-court form. You can print from here your matric oath and this is it, your matric oath and your anti-court form. So these are the two forms you need for this one. Now after your matric next year, you are going to use this form, you fill it and then take it to DSA office for signing. It's part of what will be in your file. So as I've said in the beginning of this video, all these things you need to know about it, so that for easy navigation of your portal, so all these things. So we have the dashboard, the registration, the admission, the bursary result, and school services. So all these things, I hope you have now have the full knowledge of how it really works. So on that note, thanks to all of you for watching this video up to this stage. Once again, I say welcome, welcome, welcome to Abraham Adesanya Polytechnic, Ijebu-Igbo, Ogun State. I wish you have a nice day on campus, and then the group link that I'll be creating for ending one will be dropped in the description rather. And if you are able to log in to your portal and you have been able to navigate through these modules I've shown you right now, please do well to come back to the comment section of this video and then tell me in the comment section that you have been able to do so. Then I'll see you in my next video. More engaging videos like this will be dropping on my channel, and do well to like this video, comment, share to other students, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribing to my YouTube channel does not cost anything, because many persons usually say, Joseph, I want to subscribe to your channel, how much will I pay? It's free. Just subscribe, turn on the bell notification, so that when I drop engaging videos, you might be the first person to get notified. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, and do have a lovely day ahead. All right. Welcome back, my dear viewers and listeners at home. I hope you enjoyed that beautiful guideline on how to navigate through your school portal. So, dear friends, welcome freshers. Our school is happy to behold you. So, what you just do is, this is a step-by-step explanation on how to navigate through your portal. So, what you do is that follow the steps I've given in the video, and then you are good to go. So, what you do next, check the description for the link to the school portal, and then what did I mention again? Other things that I mentioned will be included in the description. And then also, I'll be creating a group for ending one fresher. That's 2024 to 2025 ending one freshers only. I'll be calling out my WhatsApp number. You can do well to text me, add you into that group. My WhatsApp number will be dropped in the description also. So once you get this video, like it and share it to other students. Share it to your classmates, your agencies, and all other places. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? It doesn't cost you anything. Just click on the subscribe button, turn on